How to install the Fallout London. Hey guys, let's get started. These are the general steps that you require to install the Fallout London. First of all, ensure that Fallout 4 is installed. Since Fallout London is a mod of Fallout 4, first of all, you must have the game installed and fully updated. After that, you can visit the Fallout London's official website or via the trusting modding sites. After that, install the mod and then it might be in the complex format. So first of all, extract the files, navigate to the extracted files and copy them, go to your Fallout 4 installation directory and then paste the copied files into the data folder. Once that is done, you can use a mod manager such as NMM or Vortex to handle the mod installation. Once that is done, activate your mod and then adjust the game settings by launching the Fallout 4. After that, you have to adjust the load order and you should be good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.